Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to see all passwords in Google Chrome. First thing first, when you open Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome window. Select Settings from the drop-down menu and then in the left-hand sidebar click Autofill. This section manages your saved addresses, payment info and passwords. Just click Password Manager under the Autofill options and you'll see a list of all your saved passwords. Scroll down to the Saved Passwords section and find the website you want. Then click on the arrow next to that website. Chrome will ask your computer for passwords like Windows PIN, macOS password, etc. Enter it, then click OK to continue. Now, click the eye icon to view the password or click the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.